Okay, next up in a 2013 question. Okay, 2014 question or 2013 question to se ke gino hai basi ko na kha kani ko 2013 gi question se ana solve to se. Okay, so the high second, this is the question of diet problem. A diet of a sick person contain at least, okay, so that is at least vitamin ne, mineral ne, and calorie. So magi diets the yaw ke ke ne ba three components: vitamin, minerals, and the calories. Okay, diet ta food makal kya ani lai a b ka kya cost kya da 4, a gina 4 rupees, b gina 3 rupees, right? And the 1 unit of food A contains 200 vitamins. See, food A iron ni ngasa koi food da ke yaw vitamin yaw ni, minerals yaw ni, calorie yaw ni. Da food A da ke yaw vitamins yaw, minerals yaw, calorie yaw. Similarly, food B da su amount mayam yaw ra. Now the question, first of all, the question, ma is going find what combination of food B and food A and food B. Food A ki saruk kya aga, food B ki saruk kya aga. Jansan na kanda. You have to have at least cost. Cost ke dogo taba minimize dogo taba. And satisfying all the requirement. Requirement me amdo no satisfy to all life name. Now, so let's see. Solution. Okay, the LPP can be formulated as might away and makad graph data se pyramid China graph pyramid study graph on table on question box. So food makal kya ano for the pyramid se 2 foods A and B. Okay, however, we have vitamin, amadana, minerals, amadana, calorie. That's either okay, you use the food 2 foods available at the cost of food A. Okay, see me adding 1 unit of food A contain how much? 200 units of vitamin. So either kya yaw neba 200, right, units, and mineral kya yaw ne sama is 1 unit, so it will be 1 unit. And how many calories? 40 calories. Now similarly, food B contains how much? 100 vitamin, the 100 mineral, the how much? 2, and how much calorie? 40 calorie, right? A ka B ka gi graph same means table lama same. See me answer loy rega. So this up to this we have done. Now ma is going to find what combination of food X ki saruk kya aga, food A ki saruk kya aga, food B ki saruk kya aga, right? And then one more is cost pyramid. What is the cost here? 4 rupees 4 per unit. Rupees 3 per unit. Ma hai say A की saruk kya आगा, B की saruk kya आगा. So let's say A की saruk kya, let's say X, B की saruk kya Y. A की क्या आगा, A की X का, B की Y units से mixed out से, right? So let's say let X number of units of A let X na kari. What mawang to with my tall or any because I'm doing nothing at all. Number of units of A, Y na kya number of that's it, right? And Z na kari Z na cost cos of the mixture. Right, so x की क्या आगा? x units of A, y units of B. Right? Adi target D. Now what is Z then? Z क्या था ने? चलो. Cost price क्या ना? Unit अमदा. एक unit अमदा 4 rupees, but एक unit क्या ना कोई ना mixed out है x, so it will be 4x plus B unit अमदा 3 rupees, so total the y ni, so it will be 3y, right? So now our LPP is, right, cost to कितना हुआ है मचा here, what we have to do, I have to have at least, okay, so here is at least cost. The problem is of minimizes. Our LPP is minimize what? Z equals to how much? 4x plus 3y subject to. And what are the conditions? What are the conditions? Condition of correctly. Stamina can contain at least how much? 40 units of vitamin, right? The vitamin though you should have 4,000 units. So A का B का नीचे mix करोगा product to the vitamin क्या याव how much here? What was the question? How many? 4,000 units. So the target the C की लड़ी vitamins it should be क्या greater than or equal to 4,000, right? Now A की सरो क्या ना याला तो x 1 unit, right? So x unit तो how much vitamin it will have? So कोई ये आप से 200 times of x plus B the क्या y units the क्या, so 1 unit 100 y units it will be 100 times of y, right? अदो क्या देखेंगे तो it should be greater than or equals to 4,000. क्या होगा greater than or equals to 4,000. Now so 100 and divide by, so let's divide it. C is nothing but 2x plus y greater than or equals to 40. So that is my first equation. Now second the mineral की सी vitamin की पिरम mineral की सुपिरम बनी. So ये सी माय से at least, okay, at least mineral ना क्या यागो तबा 50, okay, 50 units of minerals, right? और इतना कभी सी अनिशे यानी से नरकांड फंगो पोटो क्या लगी 50 units, and that is also at least, so it will be greater than 50. So that means 1 into x, 1 times of x plus 2 times of y. 2 times of y should be greater than or equal to 50, and that is my second equation. Okay. See, 1 is half plus whatever. So we can rub this. 1 into x is going to be x. Now, similarly, third condition. What is that? Calorie. How much calorie? So the calories are how much? 1,400 calories. So, and you mix up the kanda, how much we should have? At least 1,400. At least I will greater than 1,400. Okay. So what should be here? So it will be 40x plus 40y, right? So another will be 40x plus 40 times. So y should be greater than or equal to how much? 1,400, right? I will add the okay, I think I can divide it by how much? 40 in low, it will be x plus y. Okay, so it will be x plus y greater than or equal to 35. Okay, so that is our third equation, and moreover x comma y should be always greater than or equal to 0. So that is my fourth equation, right? What equation kya pange? 1 2 3 4. Next and our next is what? Next is to draw the graph. Okay, to graph this. All right, so this is going to be my graph. Okay, what is the first equation? 2x plus y equal to graph yam da koi kai 1 ka nema equal to 1 thoka nema ka reason ni na kona find out, and then we have to make this kya 1, that means divided by 40. So the x by 20, y by 40. Okay, I got the so x 20 5 y kya tha 40, right? Y will be cut at 40. So let's say this is 40, and then you have to join these 2 points. Simulate. And what is this equation? This equation is 2x plus y equals to 40, right? Okay, the second, what is the second? The second equation is x plus right? What is the second equation? X plus 2y, let's say, equals to 50, right? That means she kya tan jayega 1 tan 50 there, so x by 50 plus y by 25. X का कितना x 50, y 25. So x 50, let's say this is x 50, and y ने क्या था 25. So let's say this is 25. And what is this equation? X plus 2y equals to 50. All right, next, what is the third equation? Third equation is x plus y. X plus y equals to 35. That means x by 35 plus y by 35 equals to 1. X का 35. So 35 means it will be somewhere here, right? 20 ka or 50 ki mark. Let's say somewhere here. Here. All right, and C point se kya आने वाला? This is 35 comma 0. Y का इधर y is to 35. So let's say 35 is here. This is what? 0 comma 35. And let's join these 2 points. This one is this one is 2 points. Okay. Right, and okay, so let's make it simple. And what is this line equation? This line equation is x plus y equals to 35. Now let's see the common region. Common region that always it is greater than, right? Now see x plus 2y greater than 25 means this side, C is to this side, and for this graph is also this side. So what is the common region? The common region is going to be, the common region is going to be nothing but this region. Okay, this. Okay, see mathaki mayam see. Okay, so for that we need to find the corner points, right? And what are the corner points here? Here 1, here 1. Okay, so let's say okay, so this is my first corner point A. What is the coordinate here? 50, 0. This is B, which we need to find. Okay, B, and this is going to be C, and this is going to be D. D we know, and what is the coordinate of D? The equation is, right, so it is 0, 40, right? So it is 0, 40. So we need to find 2 points. One is B, another one is C. B ka C ka puthokta yaad dega, right? Now this is going to be nice. Right, now A khange, B puthokta yaad de, C puthokta yaad de, D puthokta yaad de, right? Okay, so let's see the shaded region. The shaded region, we have to write the shaded region. And which corner points are A, B, C, and D? Right, A we know it's 50, 0. B we don't know, so let's try to find out what is B. For B, putoke di B is kana intersect this green line and this red line. And what is the green line? This x plus 2y equal to 50, and what is the red line? X plus y equal to 25, right? So we will say solving x plus y equals to 35 and x plus 2y equals to 50. Now let's see here, what is the coefficient here? 1. What is the coefficient here? 1. So then we don't need to do anything, just subtract it. Okay, x plus 2y equals to 50, x plus y equals to 35. Minus tau, right? So it will be x and x will cancel, so it will be y equals to 15. So therefore, now y value. Now let's find out. What x. Now putting y equal to 15 in which equation? X plus y equals to 35. What is x then? X will be 15 put over the 35 minus 15 is going. So x over here 20, y equals to 15. That means what is our B? 20, 15. Right, now point na to pang wali, and that is point C. Yung si point C is na kana intersect over this red line and this black line. What is this black line? 2x plus y equal to 40, and then what is the red line? X plus y equal to 35. Okay, so we will say solving x plus y equals to 35. Okay, you can see x plus y equals C. C puto kahit adi red line. Red line se kana na x plus y equal to 35. And what is this black line? This 2x plus y equal to 2x plus y equal to 42, x plus y equals to 40. Multiply the because the coefficient of y here is 1, coefficient of y here is 1, so simply subtract it. So subtract it, so it will be x and it will be 5. Now you say putting x equal to 5 in x plus y equal to 35, then what is y? Y is going to be 30. So what is c? C is going to be 5 comma 30, right? So corner points now. So lastly what we have to do is we have to solve for z. And what is our z? 4x plus 3y, right? Minimizer or maximization? Maximize z. 4x plus 3y. Okay, so next step. What are the points at A? What is our A? 50 comma 0. 50 comma 0. What is the value of z? What is z? Z is 4x plus 3y. Okay, z is 4x plus 3y, so it will be 4 times of what is x? 50 plus 3 times of y. What is y here? 0, so that is 200. Now at B, what is B here? B is 20 comma 15, right? And B 20 comma 15, 20 comma 15, that is going to be 4 times of x. X is here 20 plus 3 times of y. Y is here 15, which will be, now if you do the calculation, it will be 155. Now similarly at C, and what is our C? C is 5 comma 30, right? Yes, sir. C is 5 comma 30, so C 5 comma 30. What is that? 4 times of 5 plus 3 times of y means 30, which is how much? We will get 110. Now lastly at D, which is how much? It's nothing but 0 comma 40, so the value of z is here 4 times of x, which is 0, plus 3 times of y, which is 40, and we are getting 120. And then our question was to maximize or minimize? Minimize. So where we are getting the minimum value? We are getting the minimum value at this. This is our minimum value, right? Why? No, question the pyramid se kya no? Minimize z. Okay, course to minimize the y. The minimum value kya hai? 110. So therefore, so what is the solution? Therefore, required solution is, right, this x equals to 5 and y equals to how much? 30. And this is the solution of 2013. Okay, hope you enjoy. Okay, this one is from 2012 council paper, and the question says here, okay, this is the question of manufacturing. It says a company manufactures 2 types of toys A and B, right? Okay, mamang to tawgi question to ga chama na bang actor here. Mamang na kay piram product, 2 products piram A and B. Sida na kay piram toys. Now we will start like the same, right? We will say the given LPP can be formulated as, right? So first of all, we will draw a this one, a table. Maybe information mayam se quite public over. We should have to draw a table. We can solve the question, right? So first of all, table the pyramid is how many toys? Two types of toys. So the toy column right? Toys. Karam toys A and B. Right. Okay. Next thing is the toy A requires 14 minutes of cutting and 8 minutes of assembling. So toy A is a here they need first of all cutting. So cutting and assembling. Okay. A kya darkar hoye? For cutting it requires 4 minutes. For assembling it requires 8 minutes. I need question 8 minutes of assembling. Now similarly, toy B su kya darkar hoye? 8 minutes for cutting. To 8 minutes and 8 minutes for assembling. Assembling to how many minutes? 8 minutes, right? This is the data. Now there are 3 hours and 20 minutes available in a day for cutting, right? Cutting the total hour time se kya darkar hoega? Here is 3 hours (3 hours 20 minutes). Now see 3 hour 20 minutes we have to convert this into minutes. So minute on thok taragati, how much it will be? It will be 200 minutes. Okay. Now assembling the how many minutes it require? See like cutting 4 hours for assembling. 4 hours. 4 hours means how much? 240 minutes, right? Okay. Now the profit se kya never either 20. So write down here profit. What is the profit? Is rupees 50 per unit. So unit they earn 50 rupees as a profit. Begin how much? 60 rupees per unit, right? That's it. Now the question is how many toys of each type. So X gina, let's say we manufacture X units, Y gina Y units, right? Mahang is A ga B ga type kya manufacture to. So manufacture to. So we will take X units for A, Y units for B, right? And then to have maximum profit. So this is a question of maximizing. Profit maximize, right? Okay, so as usual we have to concentrate. Now one more thing. Cutting the kya darka the item is 3 hours 20 minutes available in a day for cutting. No mother the car is 200 minutes. That means no mother tabak suba at the most, at the maximum kya 200 minute never natra. This one, this 200. So cutting the how much we have, it should be less than or greater than. It should be less than. Right? So it will be less than or equals to 200. Similarly here also assembling tawbada no mada kwaidagi tabak suba yabase kya no 4 hours. It should be at the maximum 4 hours. The maximum at the most. It should be less than or equals to 4 hours. That means 240 minute never. Right? Okay. So write down here. Let X nakari number of units of toy A, y number of units of toy B, and what, and let's say z na total profit, right? So what is z then? जैसे क्या हो रहा है अकोना x a दा पुथोक how many units, x unit, 1 unit on the how many profit we are earning 50. So the x unit one tar the how much profit it will earn, क्या earn turning 50 times of x plus b दा जो माने unit अमा yon with 60 rupees profit. So the अकोना पुथोक ना क्या y unit one tar the how much 60y. So we will add them together. So this is our total profit. Now after that we can write like this. So what is our LPP? So our LPP is maximize z equals to 50 times of x plus 60 times of y, such that what, cutting how many time is required, 200 minutes, right? 1 unit how much, no 4 minutes. So for x unit it will be 4x, b in how much, it will be 8y. Okay, so it will be how much, 4x plus 8 times of y. It should be less than or equals to how many, 200 minutes. So it will be 200, right? That means this can be written as 4x plus 2y less than or equals to 50. So that is my first equation. Similarly, assembling the how many we require, so 8 minutes for toy A, that means according to x unit, so it will be 8 times of x, and for B it is 8 times of y. Okay, and 8 times of x plus 8 times of y less than or equals to how much, 240. See all the sides can n by 8 n by, so it will be x plus y less than or equals to 30. So that is our second, right? And moreover x comma y, both of them are greater than 0. I have the positive right? Okay, see we will draw the graphs, right? So we will say drawing the graphs, drawing the graph of the above equations. Okay, so first equation is okay, no? Now let's see. All right. Okay, so first equation is x plus 2y equals to 50. Now see kya tahangada ba 1. So 1 tahan gaya ta adi kya niyan to kani 50 na, right? Y by 25. That means x kai ka kani 50, y kai ka kani 25. So all right, x kai ka kani ba x 50. So let me say this is my 50. Okay, and y kai ka kane ba, y at 25, right? Y at 25. So let's say this is my y 25. Yeah, recall. Then we will join this 2 points, Now we will join these 2 points. And what is this equation? This equation is x plus 2y equals to 50. Now equation the x plus 2y equal to 50 se what they say it should be less than or equals to. Reason pyramid it should be less than or equals to. Less than or equal to which one is going to be our reason? Which one is going to be our reason? This side or this side? It will be on this side, right? See my reason with you never. Next, what is the second equation? It says x plus y. Second equation x plus y equals to 30. Samane constant term se 1 talo, so it will be x plus 30 plus y by 30. X at 30. X at 30 means, let's say it's somewhere here, right? So this is my 30 comma 0. Y na the y also 30. So let's say this is my y at 30, and let's join the 2 points. Okay, right. So what is this? This is x plus y equals to 30. Now what is the reason? So has reasons x plus y less than or equals to 30 for this side, for line zigi x plus y zigi above or lower or less than or this should be on the downside or left side. Okay, so that means which side? This side, right? Okay, and moreover x and y should be greater than or equal to 0. That means first quadrant. So what is our common reason? Common reason sigi red line makada, black line makada. So what is the common reason? It should be on the first quadrant because x and y is going to be what? It's greater than 0. That means this is our common reason, right? Okay, so this is our common reason, right? So this is our feasible reason. Now corner points. So this is my first corner point, which is 0 comma 0, and then let's say this point is A, right? We don't know this point B, and this we know as C, right? So this point is how much? 0 comma 25. C. Now how about this point B? Let's see. Point B. Chamani mamang the hot question to mine point B putoka that point B is this red line and this black line. So any equation is solved or lower in it. And what is this equation? Now for so quick grab a feasible reason, yeah. So you write down the shaded reason. The shaded reason is our feasible reason. Okay, hey exam the hypetang sangamogo so that examiner na khangnaba. So this is your feasible reason. And what are the corner points? O, A, B and C, right? The howzik luri say. So this is C, this is O, this is A, and this is B. Now B is never put to. So for B here, 4 point B kana solve down red line and the black line. And what is the red line equation? Solving x plus y equals to 30, and what is the black line? X plus y equals to 50. X plus x plus 2y equals to 50. Now an easy solve to by it's very easy. Now x coefficient all are 1. Just write down the equation here. X plus 2y equal to 50. Atop equation na kari x plus y equals to 30, right? Kadorni subtract Torani because x and x are equal. So 2y minus y equals to y. And what is this value? 20. So y value kya fanga? 20. Now putting the value of y in his equation, in this equation, x plus y equals to 30. What is the value of x then? X will be again how much? 10. Alright, what is my coordinate? It will be 10 comma 20, right? Now let's find out the value of z, and let's rewind. What was our z? Maximize the 50x plus 60, 50x plus 60y, right? Here, write down for the maximum value we look at the corner points. So what are the corner points? First 0, what was the value of z? 50x plus 60y. 50x, what is x here? 0. 60 times of y, what is y here? Also 0. So that means 0. Corner point naman iputhok kare. Now next corner point naman iputhok at a. Okay. What was a? A was 30 comma 0. Right. So write down here a 30 comma 0. What is that? It will be 50 times of x. What is x here? 30 plus 60 times of y. What is y here? 0. So it will be 1500. Right? Now atop point at c. And what is c? C is b. Okay, yeah. C. What is c? C is 0 comma 25. What is c? 0 comma 25. So what is the value of that? It will be 50 times of x, it means 0. 60 times of y, y means 25. And that will gives me how much? So 0 comma 1500, right? Okay. All right. Just wait. Okay. Now again, what is the point left? At b. What is b? 10 comma 20. What is the value of that? It will be 50 times of 10 plus 60 times of 20, right? And which will give 1700. And out of this 4, what is the, which one is the maximum? This one is maximum, right? So what is our solution? So therefore we will say then, so our solution is, what is x? So what is our x? So x should be here. We have to take this point, maximum level point, x equal to 10, y equals to 20, right? So this is the solution of our linear programming problem. I have the x as a toy. So therefore again you can say require number of toy a. How much x now represent the a ki? So it will be 10, and require number of toy B, how much? 20. And this is the solution of 2012 council paper, right? I hope you find it very easy, right? Okay. Next question is from 2011. The question is from manufacturing problem. Question says, yung question se koi so far ako na discuss to matam sida question se sab mana ba question ngakta ne ba samana ba question ngakta ni, but wording na kitang change to ba. Sometimes they will ask you from diet ada ka atopam na kari manufacturing the question hangak pa, but hot bagi form and then the style of question they have asked is almost the same. Adu na ngasai dagi ko na holai ba question mayam sing se ngasi gi holai ba or ngasi gi si topics la khanari ba mayam sing mong nang ama phajana khangi ba da you can score 6 marks very easily, right? Aina tai ba mayam sing nang na phajana gyan ta na if you are listening very carefully and if you understand what I'm saying, then you can score 6 marks very easily from this section. Atay to kem to niya like just graph ye kan equation sagal ani graph ye ani and then corner point puto ani maximum value putok pa khata nei bang side tawri mayam se natra to aina khan ba sigi linear programming problems e lui na khan de, but aina sum yek bada asi agi chhatra mayam lai to most of the student find it very difficult because they don't understand the question, right? The maximum of the student find it very difficult. I don't know why, right? Aduna aina ngasi tawzarei efforts is so the aina puthokzarei is to reach out to the people, to the student community. Okay, student community the chalaga akhang ba aina khangja mayam share tawzabane so that they can benefit from this video, right? Aduga satra phata ra gadi leba adum obviously dum pharakane na khalle akoi gi manipur leba hoji to ibas so many problems mayam sing se kadaba kitang dor su mating oigadra na khallaga video sin namja gi bane. Okay, matam manghan da let's continue with our solution. Sidai se keno manufacture produce two types of steel trunks, right? Steel type ani steel trunk ya ani, right? Okay, so as usual adita di ira sine ka okay, so let's say the given problem can be formulated as always minor pyram tadi ketauni we will make a table, right? Trunks, say trunks, trunk kya neba 2 trunks. So let's say moving pyram dane trunk say 1 and trunk 2, right? Amana trunk 1 has say amana trunk 2. Two types of machines kya layeba AB, right? So machine kya lay rahe machine ani layne ba machine A machine what machine A में ले रहे and then machine B, right? Machine A में ले रहे machine B में ले रहे the first type ahanba type to require 3 hours on machine A. Machine A da kya change ba it requires 3 hours and 3 hours on machine B. Machine B dana kya change ba 3 hours. So trunk 1 is same with the machine A sudar car only machine B sudar car only. Machine A it takes 3 hours, machine B it takes 3 hours. So this sentence is over. Now yung second type requires 3 hours on machine A. Okay, spelling is lale but ignore it. Second type requires how many? 3 hours. So 3 hours on machine A and 2 hours on machine B. Machine B dana kya 2 hours, right? Okay, next. Okay, hi. Machine A and B can work at the most 15 hours and 18 hours and 15 hours per day respectively, right? So what are the keywords here? At the most means at the maximum. The machine A na thabak su duje nongmada kya maximum the 18 years. So maximum hai taragadi it should be less than or equals to 18 hours. Okay, machine B kya hai? Machine B ki susa mane at the most how many hours? 15 hours per day. So it should be machine B na thabak su ke sura bada 15 hours. They hen ade. So it should be less than or equals to 15 hours. Next is lower C line zima, then we are done. Next is he earns a profit of rupees 30. So write down the profit. Okay. Rupa kya? Rupees 30. Rupees 30. And to then how much? 25. Okay. Now the question is again, how many types, okay, how many numbers, it should be numbers, okay, how many numbers of each type should he make each day to maximize the profit? Also that the question da hangise no moda trunk kaya putokada ki hang baneba 1 su as well as 2 su. So let's say number do trunk 1 gina no moda x putoen lauro, y gina how much y putoen lauro, right? How many numbers of each type, right? Adi number kya putoke hang baneba x adi 1 gi match trunk 1 kya putokani, trunk 2 kya putokani, so that in order to maximize what profit kai maximize to whatever profit to maximize the y baneba. Okay, so now this is our table, right? Table le reko. So let's but anyway let's write it down. Let x is what? Number of trunk 1, y number of trunk 2. Okay, number of trunk 2. And what is our z? Z is total profit. Total profit. Okay. Trunk 1 gi unit amada profit se kya na 30 rupees. Koi trunk 1 kya puto x, so it will be profit will be how much? Therefore, so write down therefore. So what will be our z? Our z will be trunk 1 puto se kya x times. So profit unit amada 30 rupees, so it will be 30. Z will be how much? 30 times of x plus 2 gina how much unit? Y unit, so it will be 25 times of y, right? Okay, now sige matungda here we can write, so our LPP is profit to kaida y maximize, right? Maximize z equals to 30x plus 25 times of y, such that what is such that imagine how much it will take, so it will be 3x plus y, how many units? Y unit. So amount puto 3 hours sange y unit puto di, imagine how much work? 3y. Okay, less than or equals to how much? 18. How can we write this? 3 loy common loy 3 na loy into all the sides, so it will be 6. So this is first. And what is the second? Second is somebody 3x plus 2y. And 3x plus 2y less than or equal to how much? 15, right? As a common so it will be equation number 2. And lastly, x comma y, x ka y, so it should be greater than or equals to, right? So these are our equations, right? Now next next graph yakta bani natra, drawing the graphs.
drawing the graph of the above equation. Right, drawing the graph of the above equation, what we have to do, let's do this, undo, yeah. Okay, all right. What is the first equation says? X plus y equals to 6. Hypergray after this is 1. That means divide by 6. X by 6, y by 6 equals to 1. X kai kakani 6, right? Y kai kakani y at 6. So let's say this is my 6. Okay, so this is my this is 6 comma 0. Y kai kakani y also 6. Y also 6. So let's say y6 is here 0 comma 6. Now let's join this 2 points, sorry, right? And this equation is x plus y equals to 6. And what is the region? It says x plus y, it should be less than or equal to 6. Adu aitaragadi, this side or this side, less than habanina, it will be on which side? This side, right? C side, right? So that means this side. Okay, first equation ye ko. Second equation, what is the second equation? 3x plus 2y equal to 3x plus 2y equals to 15. Now we have to make this 1 tan gate can 15 alloy divided, so it will be x by 5 plus y by 15 by 2 equals to 2, right? This is not required at all. Now that the x kai kakani x5 means somewhere here. So let's say this is my x5, so this is 5 comma 0. Okay, y kai kakani 15 by 2 means 7.5. 7.5 will be somewhere here. Okay, so I let the accuracy accurate oil habanatiko just magi model do kaktang talo habakatani. So this is my right. Now let's join the 2 points. Okay, see, so I thought right, oil side oil. So this is my point, right? 5 comma 0. And what is this line? This line is 3x plus 2y equals to 15. Now see, what was our reason? Our reason is less than ngatani ko, less than aitadi, sigi less than aitadi, which side? This side or this side? It will be on the downside. So on the line natra. What is the common reason? Common reason is that means this is our common reason. So let's give them name. This I will give 0, this I will give a, this is 5 comma 0, this we don't know, which we have to find b, and this 0 comma 6, let's call this as c. Okay, now write down here the shaded region, represents our feasible reason, right? And we need to find the corner point 1, 2, 3 and 4. B khangde. Now let's try to find out b. For b is again, b is see red line siga, see black line siga kaknaba point to neba. Adu kai solve down this equation of the red line and equation of the black line. So write down solving kana solve down this x plus y equals to 6 comma atopa manakari 3x plus 2y equal to 15. 3x plus 2y equals to 15. Come on, solve those. The coefficient x coefficient can 3, the can 1, the y coefficient can 2 and 2. Mana de am so ama mana hantare. So let's say first equation zero. Write down 3x plus 2y equals to 15, right? Now, so let's say this is our equation 1 and let's say this is our equation 2. Equation 2 is this. Now, karamba eliminate tawsige? I think y eliminate tawsi. Y eliminate tawge haitari y coefficient manada be this. The y coefficient kya no 2, so the y coefficient kya no 1. 2 tan na kya na purini? 2 na purini. Okay, so it will be 2x plus okay. Maramda ke daune hoji subtract to kya fange 2y cancel, so it will be x and it will be equal to 3. So x ki value kya aa raha hai? 3. Now putting x equal to 3 in which equation? Equation 1. Y kya fangani? That also 3. So therefore, what is your point B? Point B is 3 comma 3, right? Okay, right? Next step se next step se we have to find the value of z. Okay, and what was our z? Our z was 30x plus 25. Write down. For finding the maximum value of z, right? For finding the maximum value of z, corner point the entire first kaida at 0 comma 0. What is the value of z? Let's see. What was our z? Our z was 30x plus 25y. Our z was 30x. What is x? Plus 25y. Y is 0, so that will be 0. Now at a 0 to put a. Now let's find it a. And what is this value of a? 5 comma 0. (25) times of x5, y is 0, so it will be 150. Now at b, what is b? Oh, okay, what is our b? B is our the solve the 3 comma 3. Oh, what was our b? B is 3 comma 3. And what is the value of z? 30 times of what is x here? 3. 25 times of what is y here? 3. All right. So what is the value? It will be 165. Now at c, which is 0 comma 0 comma how much? 6, right? 0 comma 6. 0 comma 6. What is that? So it will be 30 times of x, which is 0, plus 25 times of y, means 6, and it will give how much? 150. Now since we have to find the maximum value, where we are getting maximum? Here we are getting maximum. Now let's go back to our question. What it says? Solve the problem. How many types, right? That means find x and y, and then solve the problem graphically, right? So this is our solution. Therefore our solution is x is how much? 3, y is equal to 3. That means number of trunk 1 and number of trunk 2 also 3. And this happen hiram dragadi pare hiram magadi happumuko. And what is the maximum profit you can earn? The maximum profit is this value, 165 rupees. And this is how we solve the question paper of linear programming problem for the year 2011, right? Question number wali, and that is we call as transportation problem. Transportation problem question am toina hangde sahi one amuka hangre, okay? And that is our last topic. All your this one linear programming ki I am loina mag loire, okay? So kay wali hoji the transportation problem. Samane kitang slightly there will be changes adune, and let's try to understand that in the next topic, okay? All right.